My name is Neil Jones and I'm with a Perfect Fit Alterations in Old Town Burleson. Our phone number is 817-447-3522. And today we're here to look at a household overlock sewing machine, commonly referred to as a serger. The serger is somewhat complicated in as much that it does a lot more things than a regular basic sewing machine, although it's specific to a particular type of sewing and a particular stitch. We're going to start at the front of the machine with the different types of thread holding devices. Here we have a mast that holds the thread. Now, one of the most important things on this machine is the fact that the threads do not become tangled, because this machine runs at a fairly high speed when you really start to sew with it, and the threads will follow a path and they have to go through various things to make sure that they don't tangle. Now, as we come down the front of the machine, we have non-tangle devices with little springs in there across the top to feed the different colored threads down through. On top of the machine we have an adjustment here for our pressure foot. And then further down we've got 4 different thread tension adjusters. Now, the thread tension adjusters are color coded in order to aid us with threading the machine. The machine has paths for the thread to follow, and they are all color keyed, as you can see here. We have 2 thread guides that service the needle side, and we have 2 thread guides that service the looper side. Now, this particular machine is a 4-thread serger, and it will sew with 4 threads, it'll sew with 3 threads, and it'll sew with 2 threads.